Hi, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for sending your wonderful messages and stickers and comments to help speed up Anmol's recovery. This is the final design for the digital 3D printed cast that we're planning on getting for Anmol's arm. And I think all your messages and these graphics, this is going to go a long way in when Anmol is showing off his cool design and he's showing off his recovery. We want to help him speed up his recovery process and make it as comfortable as possible. So I think this is going to go a long way. It's going to be lighter in weight. It's going to be more durable. He'll feel somewhat better than a plaster. It's waterproof. So lots of nicer ways to keep him engaged in this hot summer weather with this digital cast. But again, I just wanted to show this to you guys. So our next step is going to be get this 3D printed out of color. It's going to be printed out of functional, biocompatible material so that he can wear it and not get any sort of allergic reaction. And the cast is going to be white with these stickers, all of these printed directly in the 3D printed material. So it won't be like separate stickers that we're going to apply. The printer, the 3D printer that's going to make the cast, that's going to print the cast, is going to also print your messages and these stickers with it. So again, really appreciate it. I'll keep you guys posted. We have our appointment on May 27th with the specialist, and we will discuss this cast with them. So hopefully we can avoid wearing those bulky plaster casts. Thanks a lot. Have a great time, you all, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you.